this lecture, we'll be exploring how a function app basically communicates or connects to a Cosmos DB. So here, if you see, we have our Cosmos DB account. Did you apply? If you click on this one and go to keys, you'll find the connection string coming up over here. Now, whenever we are creating our functions, so if I go to function app and here try creating any function or try to edit any function, for example save jobs. So when I go over here and I go to integration, here if I click on inputs, you'll notice that it's automatically coming up over here as did you apply document DB. So from where is this connection string appearing? In function app at global level, you have configuration, and inside this configuration you'll find these keys are defined. So here you can see did you apply document DB, and if I take you back to that function one more time, let's go to the same function, save jobs, and go to integration, click on Azure Cosmos DB, and here you can see the Cosmos DB account connection is appearing over here. So now we know how exactly the communication is happening between a function and Cosmos DB.